Introducing the all-new Kia Carnival. Where luxury ends, the Kia Carnival begins. Everything in the Carnival is designed to enthrall you with sheer extravagance. After all, what's luxury when you deserve a lot more? This luxury vehicle is an embodiment of Kia's modernist design approach. With superlative style and stance, Kia Carnival is a statement in luxury. Carnival's compelling proportions give it a powerful presence and sense of splendor. The elegant front profile has a captivating facade with Kia's signature tiger nose grille, symbolizing majestic beauty. The meticulously designed LED projector headlamps, front parking sensors and skid plates render a sporty appearance. The LED fog lamp designs are inspired by the shape of ice cubes that make it a one-of-a-kind on Indian roads. Kia Carnival has a dynamic yet distinctive body silhouette. Every contour of this luxurious vehicle has been beautifully designed. The floating roof design combined with roof rails and plush chrome door handles are sheer head turners. The sputtering alloy wheels have a striking contemporary presence. The surround DLO gives Carnival a distinctive solid look. Kia Carnival's contemporary design language follows it around. The rear end has a voluminous design with high-tech appearance, giving it both style and stability. The aesthetically designed LED tail lamps command attention on the road. The two tail lamps are connected by a unique rear chrome garnish with Kia emblem embossed in between to give the rear a unique stance. The skid plates and rear spoiler are complete stunners that make Carnival look premium even from the back. Slide inside the Carnival and you will be engulfed by its opulence and sophistication. The spacious cabin offers ample room for the passengers. Carnival offers versatile seating options from 7 seats, 8 seats, all the way to 9 seats for families of all sizes. It's ultra-spacious and comfortable owing to the larger wheelbase. The luxury VIP seats and rear seat entertainment systems will simply indulge you to the hilt. The dashboard is a work of art. The connected HD touchscreen renders a futuristic look to the car cabin and reduces distraction while driving. Carnival is even equipped with laptop and USB charger to provide an unhindered experience. You can also charge a compatible mobile phone wirelessly on the pad at the front of the center console. The center console is so spacious that it can even accommodate a tablet. The second row seats are essentially VIP seats with rear seat entertainment. These seats have sliding and reclining function with wing-out headrest for passengers to adjust according to their convenience. The second row seats are also capable of sliding left and right, making for easier ingress and egress. The third row seats are equally comfortable and can easily accommodate a fully grown adult. The large fixed glass windows prevent the feeling of claustrophobia or any discomfort. There is a lot of cargo space in the boot. With the third row in play, you get around 540 liters of space. Also with the third row 60/40 split fold and sinking function, one can get 1,624 liters. Kia Carnival is the epitome of extravagance and indulgence. The VIP second row seats with leg support along with premium Napa leather upholstery says just that. This soft, full-grain leather gets its name from Napa, California. It's a premium quality leather that renders a natural look and offers ultimate comfort. To provide a lounge-like experience, Kia Carnival is equipped with high-tech dual rear seat entertainment system with acoustics from premium Harman Kardon sound system that lets you listen to music the way it's meant to be heard. The dual sunroof lets in sunlight and fresh air. Just a touch of a button and the whole sky unveils in front of your eyes. To maximize comfort for all passengers, the tri-zone automatic temperature control system allows the driver, front passenger and rear passengers to adjust their own temperature and airflow settings. With one-touch sliding doors and a tall stance, you walk into Kia Carnival and not just get into it. Smart power tailgate provides the ease of opening and closing the hood even when your hands are full. Kia Carnival is equipped with an inbuilt air purifier to keep the cabin air clean and fresh, while the added fragrance improves the ambience further. Carnival is equipped with UVO telematics system. UVO is the latest evolution in connected car and infotainment, which is basically comfort in the name of technology. an advanced technology with the help of which you can connect your smartwatch or smartphone to the vehicle and make the drive safer, convenient and enjoyable. Easy to initiate and release, the electronic parking brake engages the parking brake at the touch of a button. To enhance the comfort and convenience of the driver, Carnival is equipped with power seat. Ergonomically designed, ventilated driver seat provides unsurpassed comfort and convenience for the driver. Second and third row sunshade curtains block the sun rays and keep the rear of the car cool. Smart Key is a standard offering in Carnival, which allows users to not just lock and unlock the car, but also operate rear power sliding doors and power tailgate with just a click of a button. Carnival is equipped with auto anti-glare mirrors, which also has controls for SOS, RSA and UO connected car. The anti-pinch power windows can be maneuvered with just the press of a button. The ultraviolet cut glass prevents harmful ultraviolet radiations from entering the car cabin, along with reducing the cabin temperature. Carnival is equipped with 8-inch touchscreen audio with navigation and telematics. It also supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Power and performance is the backbone of any vehicle, and Carnival is simply packed with performance. The D2.2 diesel engine uses a nitrogen oxide reduction catalyst to regulate emissions and churns out power of 200 PS. It has a high torque distribution of 440 Nm and powerful 8-speed Sportsmatic transmission. It sets a benchmark for cabin quietness with low wind and road noise inside the cabin. High aerodynamics performance has also been achieved due to the myriad measures taken throughout the body surface. Carnival has high ground clearance, which can take you anywhere and on all kinds of roads. Carnival has a strong body structure with 52% high-strength steel application and high usage of body adhesives and binding material. Our multi-directional safety package includes driver, passenger, side and curtain airbags, making each of your drives memorable and worry-free. Hill Start Assist control prevents the vehicle from rolling back during uphill climb from a static position. The electronic stability control controls brake pressure in challenging driving situations like sudden turns and braking. Tire pressure monitoring system sends warnings to customers to avoid unnecessary hiccups while on the go. Front and rear parking sensors enhance the ease of parking in tight spots. Carnival has 3 exterior color options to choose from: Aurora Black Pearl, Steel Silver, Glacier White Pearl. Interior has dual color option of black and beige as standard. Along with so many great things, incredibly low cost of ownership is a Kia promise. The luxury of freedom is what we all yearn for. The freedom to go anywhere and explore what's left unexplored. And in this case, that freedom comes in the form of a Carnival. From seats to screens and sunroof to sound system, Kia Carnival is the epitome of extravagance and indulgence.